Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler. Got some nice silver rims on this vehicle with some black trim. We got a remote start on this vehicle as well, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we got that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob button up there or button by the driver's side, which provides you tons of storage. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got a 12-volt hook and doodad to hold your gear down, and more storage underneath. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we do have seating for up to 5 in this vehicle. We got the nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and we do get adjustable rear seats. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 40,977 kilometers. Got this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get, come on girl, a digital speedometer, we have my view, trip and fuel, Sense info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, and drive modes. Cup holders, storage here with some outlets, and of course you got your center console with more storage underneath. We got dual climate up front with heated front seats and steering wheel. Hazards and media controls, storage below. Nice little infotainment system with audio, compass, and phone. We got your phone controls here, audio control with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. So he's been previously connected. Apps such as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or any apps you may have downloaded. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8287, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.